Okay, this is Little Bird, take one. Little bird, come sit upon my windowsill. Sat there through the pouring rain, and as I watched that bird upon my windowsill, songs and thoughts of you go by again. And the picture of my face reflected on the pane, is it tears I see or is it rain? I remember how we talked before we said goodbye, too young to know this world outside our door. But now the miles of time have built a warmer place, though I try, I just can't tear it down. And the picture of my face reflected on the pane, is it tears I see or is it rain? No regrets about the past, there's nothing I would change. Life's a road you walk just one way down, and each gives off old memories like hand notes in the law, where that the world is time and that love is just a thought. And the picture of my face reflected on the pane, is it tears I see or is it rain? As my mind goes tumbling back, I wonder how you look. I wonder if you've seen that little bird. I wonder if he sat upon your windowsill. I wonder if you ever hear these words. And the picture of my face reflected on the pane, now is it tears I see or is it rain?